feature, Paris, Las Vegas, not to be confused with Paris, France. Way to make a lot of money to be even. Let's do it. Mansion. Oh my god, it's mansions, guys. Oh no, it's not. Is it? Oh my god, it's buzzsaw. Okay. Oh, I thought it was mansions for a second. Do we got any good lineups? 250 bet, by the way, on 5 cent and on. Oh god, do we got anything? Nothing lined up, but a lot of straw houses to build on. Remember, this is not Huff N More Puff, so let's get some mansions here. We've gotten some pretty bad bonuses on that one. Yes. Okay. 3 down, L3. Okay. Okay, sorry. This will probably be a 2-part video, as you guys can see. 1 minute reel. Okay. We like that. Just please do that again. Please. One mansion. Mansion feature would have been exquisitely excellent, but if we get that major, I would be ecstatic, obviously. It would be even. Let's do it. Paris Hotel Casino, Las Vegas. Okay, 5 cent and on. What are we doing here? Coin? Okay. This is the big one, baby. Coin. Grand coin. Okay. 37 or something. Alright, well, we tried. 67. Alright. Back to back. Nope. Okay, one more wheel feature. We're at Paris, Las Vegas. Let's go. Mansion feature. It's not asking for too much. Alright, I think we have a bunch lined up. That's good. Alright. All of them on the top row. That's pretty good. We'll start with 1 mansion. Just one? Yeah, just 1 mansion. I like it. $3 bet, 2 cent denom. Let's go, people. This will be a 2-part video. I'll upload the other one right after, so you can check my page for the second part. When we hit the grand. There we go. Start with the mansion. All the top shelf. Let's get it. Okay. Please be a lot better than our last bonus. We had 1 mansion last time. Okay. Okay. We like that. Let's get the exact same sequence, please. Starting with 1 mansion's nice. Takes the edge off, but let's get a couple more. How many more spins? Okay, what was that? What in the entire? So we had 4 or 5 dead spins. That's crazy. I didn't even push the button. I just let it do whatever it wanted, and we'll just hit the major in this one. That's fine. We'll just hit the major. $50 so far, and coin. Huge. 40. Okay, $90. I mean, it's 30x, it's not bad, but we wanted more. It sucks to get just 1 mansion. We had a great chance for more, right? Alright, back to back. No such luck. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, people, just a couple spins later, we are back with more magnificence. Let's get the mansion feature. 3rd wheel feature. We like it, but just the mansion 1 time. $3 bet, by the way. Okay. Mega hat. Bop, bop. Alright, let's count it together. It's 10 hats in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god. Okay, well. We've gotten lucky with the smallest one before, so let's do that again right now. We've gotten a lot of re-triggers the other times. Save all the hats for right now. 3 down, L3. Oh, that was a big line hit we missed. This is just like the new game. This is exactly the same as the new game. So you get a bonus round, you get no re-triggers or no hats. It's just like Huff and More Puff. That's crazy. What do we end up with? 4 hats and then 3 hats after that. That's sadness. Nice to get another bonus, but not nice. We're in for a few hundred, you know. $24. Okay, thanks. Okay, we'll be back. Mention feature here. 3rd bonus, still at the Paris, Las Vegas. 2 cent, 150 bet. They can do it. It's gonna be buzzsaw. Close each time. Bow, bow. So let's see if we can get multiple re-triggers this time. It's not gonna be like last time we had just a few hats falling. I don't like that. We got a 150 jackpot. Is that possible? There's a lot of hats there. Why didn't they fall? Okay, that helps. Let's get 3. Random line hit. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious. We can still hit the grand with one of them, right? We can still hit the grand. Eligible for the grand. It says eligible for the grand for a reason. You're eligible. Any chance. Okay. Let's get a blue coin. Red coin. Yay, a mini. Alright. Thanks for watching. People, this is like the 5th bonus we've had, but we're still down. We're up to the $3 now. Please get some re-triggers. We've missed so many hats. 1. Let's get one of those crazy ones. 1 more. 3 down L2, please. 3 down L2, please. 3 down L2, please. Okay. Not 3 down L2, but the next best thing. 1 more of those. 1 more. Okay. I didn't think another mansion was coming. Too good to be true. What is it gonna be? Nicely. Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. We'll take it. $100 about. Okay. $99 on the dot. Alright, thank you. Guys, I don't know which bonus this is, like 6. I just hit that last one. This is gonna be like 10 videos. We have so many bonuses, but we're still down, I think. think we put in like 200 or 300. Man, Chin, a grand. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Thanks. Thanks for the midi, buddy. Oh yeah, we dropped our bet just doing a couple backups. All right, thank you. We appreciate it, I guess. We'll do a couple more backups, see what happens. 175. Okay. I mean, it's so nice that 4-3. What the heck is going on? What was that? Okay, I think the machine's trying to trick us. But we're gonna get a dodge, people. Thanks for watching.